Akpiabio GCON, President of the Senate. Confirmation of appointment of member of the Board of Directors for the Central Bank of Nigeria. In compliance with the provisions of Section 10(1) of the Central Bank of Nigeria CBN Establishment Act 2007, I am pleased to present for confirmation by the Senate the appointment of Ruby Onwudiwe, PhD, as a member of the Board of Directors of the Central Bank of Nigeria. His curriculum vitae is attached herewith. The Senate is invited to kindly note that Ruby Onwudiwe is a replacement of Mr. Kalu Eke due to the unavailability of Mr. Eke to serve in that position. While it is my hope, therefore, that the Senate will consider and confirm in its usual expeditious manner the appointment of Ruby Onwudiwe, PhD, please accept, distinguished Senate President and distinguished Senators, the assurances of my highest regards. Yours sincerely, Bola Tinubu, GCFR, President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. This is referred to the Committee on Banking, Insurance, and other financial institutions to revert to the Senate as soon as possible.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.